Understanding, stem the tide, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, stem the tide. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in grasping the nuances of the language. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. First, let's look at where this phrase comes from. Stem originally means to stop or hold back, and tide refers to the natural movement of the sea. Literally, stemming the tide would mean stopping the flow of the tide, which is a powerful natural force. This gives us an insight into the symbolic use of this phrase in everyday language. Now, let's move to its figurative meaning. In modern English, when someone says they're trying to stem the tide, they mean they are attempting to stop or control the flow of something, usually negative, that is hard to control. This could be anything from public opinion, a trend, or even a series of unfortunate events. To help you understand better, here are a few examples. 1. The government is taking measures to stem the tide of economic recession. 2. Local communities are working together to stem the tide of pollution in their area. 3. The school introduced new policies to stem the tide of bullying. Remember, this phrase is often used in formal or semi-formal contexts. It's great for writing essays, making formal speeches, or in business settings. However, it might be too formal for casual conversations with friends. I hope this video helps you understand and use stem the tide confidently in your English conversations and writings. Keep practicing, and you'll master these interesting phrases in no time. See you in the next video, and happy learning!